Hi, and welcome to another edition of the Thursday Software Spotlight session, where every week we introduce to you an extension, a software, a tool, a function, a feature, an application, right? Software that will improve your day-to-day digital marketing performance. Now, today we're going to be covering Fenix SEO, a specific function of Fenix SEO actually. So Fenix SEO is our homegrown, developed by and for digital marketers, and SEO extension in Google Chrome browser. So if you haven't downloaded it, right, just Google it, Fenix SEO, and you'll be able to see the results show up. Cool. And this tool actually really is powerful. So for those who have it and are using it, you understand what I mean. For those who haven't, right, once you download it, there's all these different things. So general, bulk search generator, bulk links display, and HTTP header status. Okay, so the one that we're going to be going through today is bulk links display. Okay, so this is actually really quite powerful. Now, sometimes you may be in a situation where you want to actually run a whole bunch of links and you want to have a look at all the pages at once. Okay, so before Fenix SEO came along, what you probably will do is go like this, cn, abc.com, .news.com. Okay, so you type it in one by one by one. What happens if you had a bigger list, right? So you had more than 3, you had 5 or 6. So essentially what you could do is you could cut down a whole bunch of time, right? And we're talking 90%, right? So instead of spending 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes actually entering all this into different tabs, right? You can actually paste it into here. So this actually accepts up to 20 links at once. So you can go like this, let me say, come, right? And then news.com.au. And then you can click on open links and go search. And then it automatically opens the 3 links at once. So that example was for us to just type it in. If you had an Excel sheet, what you can essentially do is you can actually put that in, right, from an Excel sheet and paste it directly into the tool. So that's going to be fast, right? So so that's cool, right? So that in itself is going to save you a whole bunch of time. Something that would have taken you minutes could essentially be done in 10 seconds or less. Okay, so that's fantastic. But this tool actually goes one step further. Okay, so this next function, right, is really specifically for those who want to find out whether or not a page has a cache stored by Google, right? So for indexing insight purposes. So you see here, there's 2 checkboxes here: open links and check Google cache. So open links is as it is, meaning just opening the links in the Google Chrome browser. Now, if you uncheck this and you go check your Google cache and hit search, now what this does now is actually opens up the cache page of the URL that you have entered. And you see here, right, it says here, this Google cache of abc.go.com snapshot page as it appeared on 6th of June 2018. Okay, great. CNN, right, loading. And then the cache, loading. Okay, so this is very helpful, especially if you want to find out the status, right, or whether or not a particular set of pages has a cache version of it. Okay, so again, no longer do you need to do it one by one. Go cache www.abc.com, right? No longer, right? Now you just copy, paste straight into the bulk links display section, right? And you're off to the races. So up to 20, which is actually pretty generous. So 20 at any one time. And again, this is going to save you a whole bunch of time. And then now, if you wanted to do both at the same time, you just click on both links, right? So just to show you an example, click on both links, hit search, and open up 6 tabs. So first 3 tabs are the actual pages. Second 3 tabs are the cache of those pages. Cool? So there you go. So that is the explanation of the bulk links display function, only one of many functions, right? That saves you a lot of time, and it will be great for your digital marketing display and digital marketing performance. Okay, cool. All right, thanks. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye.